All right, this is the first play of the game. So they run the bubble. Danny, you're new here to this, so you got to stay on his inside hip. So you end up getting over the top. So Sam does a pretty good job of making it cut back inside. Nice job using your hands and pressing out, Sam. That's not bad. Now, Danny, you just need to come on his inside hip and you make the tackle probably on the 42. Instead, we over pursue. He comes back and he gets many more yards. Okay. Backside pursuit. Hallam needs to go full speed. Knock his hands away, Nick. We worked on this. I know we can't work on stuff every day. All right, but take that left arm and club across this guy's forearms. You'll get loose, hopefully. All right. I'm running screenplay again. They're just counting us out. All right, don't attach yourself to the blocker, Nick. All right, that guy is over 5 yards away. All right, rip. Pass this dude outside. You make the play. Carter, keep your head up. I think it's part of the reason why you hurt your neck later in the game is you're putting your head down. Okay, you need to hit it with your shoulders and see what you're hitting. Come on, Danny. You should be screaming on inside. All right. Third play of the game. Anytime there's bunch, we got to fix later. Anytime there's bunch, okay, we got to press the point. All right, and then have the safety and the corner outside. Joe's on the wrong side here. He should be on the trip side. Make a play, Nick. This time you do avoid, and then we miss a tackle. We gotta stop leaving our feet. I mean, I know you've made some dynamic plays doing this, Carter, but you take off a little too far away this time, and you try to just hit him with your shoulder stuff. You wrap his legs. All right, you might have a chance. I know he's a big boy, and I get it. I've been there. All right, but we gotta wrap his legs up. Danny was just working on taking better angles. That'll come with time. And then Tyler, you're not coming, man. I mean, if your hamstring is that beat up, you gotta let somebody know because we can't have you out there doing that. There's the effort looks horrible right there. So Nick, you know the deal. You're the tight end. All right. As soon as you see a tight end block, right, you should be coming up right here outside right now. Right now. Right now. We've done this too many times to keep you not doing that. Not just you, but just the point is that we've told the corners too many times for you not to be knowing that you're coming down right here just at the edge. Instead, you don't get there fast enough, so the guy's able to come off of the buck and come get you. If you would have come right now, you wouldn't have to play in the backfield. So this is it opens up for us. Joe, you got to stay inside leverage, man. I'm not sure how many times we got to work. You get beat in man-to-man coverage. So we can't keep giving the inside leverage, giving up touchdowns. Let's go next play. So not a bad tackle there. Prefer that you run your feet. Kind of just grab his legs, trip him a little bit, but you make the play. Careful, Danny, not to overrun it. You gotta attack the inside hip. It's a nice job, Carter. Okay. You get a nasty for this one, forcing the fumble. Put your head right on the football. Just bring your feet, man. That was gonna help you out a lot when you tackle. Just to save your body. But it's a great job popping this guy. This is just effort. Like I said, if your hamstring's that sore, you need to come out. It's a hard move for you, Danny, being on the opposite side of the field, playing against trips. But I like the effort. Now look, it's 3rd and forever. We gotta get off the field. I mean, that's just the bottom line. And like Coach Poole said, when that guy throws a little baby block on you, that's not even a good one. And then you gotta come. You're taking an angle backwards, Nick. You gotta come outside and get him right now. Don't. You gotta turn him back to all your help. All right. So you take the angle right here, right now. Come to his outside shoulder. Even if you don't make the play, he cuts back to your help. Don't keep running away from him. Run to his outside shoulder and force him back inside where your help is. All right. You do that. Maybe one of these two guys make the tackle and we get off the field. But instead, you retreat and you're giving him the angle he needs to get the first down. Need you to be a guy if you want to. I mean, you have the ability. You need to decide mentally that you're going to come and be a guy. It's good coverage here. Perfect position. Nice work. You're good, Sam. You're in good position now. Just drive on it. He opens up. Drive on his hip. Instead, you continue to take lateral steps. You give the time for the ball to get there. If you drive on his hip, you may even get there before the ball gets there. All right? Drive on the hip. Don't keep coming across the field. Hey, you got to be a guy, man. You got to get off that block. I'm not saying you make the play. I'm not saying you're able to make this cut back inside. All I'm saying is that he gets one hand on you and you can't fight off that one hand. I know it's man coverage. You're coming inside. I get all that. It's just he's blocking you for way too long. Gotta wrap up, Danny. All right. You're in position to make a play. Wrap him up. Hit him in the thigh boards, wrap his legs, and drive your feet. We are not good enough to just run into people and they'll fall over. You can fight outside here. And the effort is just piss poor. I like the effort, Danny. Piss poor effort by Tyler Hallam. It's a good job here, Nick. TFL. Drive on it. Keep your feet churning. It's nice work. And then we have third and long again. Get him off the field. You have missed tackle, run over, go for the strip, don't get it. All right. You gotta stop diving people's legs. You gotta drive your feet. We do the tackling circuit. It's just you want to. That's what it comes. Do you want to get them down or not? That shows me. That tackle shows me by the corner. Who was that? Yeah, that tackle shows me. I don't want that noise. And I know you're going for the strip, Danny. You just got to know that he's wrapped up before you go for that strip. I know you're saying that thought Will's going to wrap him up. Obviously, Will Aiken just gets run over. So you got to make sure that guy's wrapped up before you go for the strip. All right, that's everything. So look, nobody was spectacular. I think Sam, you had a good game. Um, they didn't throw the ball your way too much. Danny, for your being your first time playing Rover, didn't do too bad. We just got to clean up those missed tackles. That just takes. I mean, you haven't played defense all year, so I'm not gonna bust your balls for that. But we got to do better next week tackling. Um, Nick's kind of same stuff, man. You got to decide if you want to be a baller or not. Um, you have the athletic ability, you have the smarts, you know what you're doing out there. It's just when push comes to shove and it's man up time, you kind of fade to black sometimes. So we need to get that fixed. Um, Jaleel, based on because of what happened with Nolan. I mean, yeah, Nolan Dixon, you didn't get as many corner reps as I would hope you would have gotten. Um, However, we'll still get you going this week. But I think Nolan might be out next week as well, so we may or may not. I'm running out of time on this thing, so the question for the week is question of the week for this one is what NFL game was the record for being the coldest? So give me the name of the game and then give me the temperature of the game. I'll see you guys on Monday. Oh, and have the answer to me by 9 o'clock tomorrow, p.m.